Okay, so I have just installed Linux Mint on this SD card. Yeah, my computer doesn't have an SD card slot, so I have to use this stupid USB adapter. Anyway, I did this by using VirtualBox, getting rid of the VDI file and replacing it with the SD card. And it took around 2 hours to install, but moment of truth, let's see how it works. And if it does work, then I'll try it on actual hardware. I have the 17-year-old laptop over there that is currently running an update or something, I don't know. And if that doesn't work, I stole my brother's laptop as well. Hang on, okay, I need to do that to restart it. Let's restart. Yes, thank you, oh. Could not read from the boot medium. Lovely, let's try restarting. Could not read from the boot medium. Okay, so it doesn't work on VirtualBox. Bye. Is this the right way up? Oh wait, no, that one's the SD card. What a silly Billy I have changed all USB devices at the top of the boot order since this thing is so old it doesn't have a boot menu. Okay, it would appear we can't boot from this, so bye. That was loud. This used to be my laptop, but this is a lot better. Where's the SD card slot on this thing? It actually does have a boot menu. What to do? Okay. What do I do now? Let's boot from this. Okay, this is just Windows. It didn't work, so this is a complete waste of time. And you know what's even more fun? Now I have to wipe the SD card. And I bet this is going to take ages. Let's see how long it takes just to get to 1%.